The Suzuki GSX-R1000R features a LED headlight that is more compact than a halogen headlight, yet produces excellent lighting. Installed in the nose of the fairing, the LED headlight is narrower and shorter, contributing to the new GSX-R's aerodynamics. Featuring full LCD instrumentation, the dash is brighter and easier to read, and incorporates SDMS mode and Motion Track TCS level indicators as well as a fuel gauge and readouts showing instantaneous or average fuel consumption, ambient temperature, freeze indicator and service reminders. The GSX-R1000R's 4x2x1 thin-wall stainless steel Suzuki Advanced Exhaust System, S, is designed to increase high RPM horsepower without reducing mid-range and lower RPM power. GSX-R1000 benefits from the addition of new Suzuki Exhaust Tuning-Alpha, Set A, butterfly valves. A header balance tube connects the head pipes for cylinders number 1 and number 4, and another header balance tube connects the head pipes for cylinders number 2 and number 3. A design feature that normally increases high RPM power at the expense of mid-range and lower RPM power. Suzuki engineers added a servo-operated Set A butterfly valve in each header balance tube, which remains closed to enhance mid-range and low RPM power, then opens at high RPM to add significant top-end power. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive videos.